kasama po yung malaking parte po yun. And through this film, gusto ko rin ang ma-take home din po nila is parang a big part of me, big part of me, nandyan po yun. Totoo po yung mga nakikita niyo.
So after, yung experience, sabi mo, diba, most challenging project ito. So after this ba, parang personally ba, may sineset ka na standard sa sarili mo with the projects?
Interesting. Maganda yung tanong. After this project, will you be very choosy or selective now when it comes to doing projects?
No. I won't be selective. As much as possible, I want to tackle a lot of roles. I want to learn more. Kasi ang dami kong natutunan. This project pa lang, ang dami na. Very life-changing tong project na to. And yung standards po na sinabi ninyo, yes, nag-iba po. Hindi po sa pagpili ng roles, hindi po sa pagpili ng projects. But yung proseso po na ginagawa, na it's not just reading the script, mag-internalize na ito yung character. It goes beyond, parang nabura po lahat yun eh. Parang para sa akin, I think, ngayon pong nakasama ko si Angel at si Miss Vilma, yung level of seriousness nila iba. Yung parang may nginig yung iba. Iba po, na parang...
I can imagine,
pagkaharap mo sila, hindi pwedeng hindi ka prepared. Hindi ka pwedeng naglalaro lang. Hindi ka pwedeng nasa iba yung isip mo. Pag nandun ka dapat talaga. Dapat alam mo bago ka pumunta doon. Kasi maraming emosyon, maraming na mawawala kung wala ka sa moment. So yes, mag-iiba po yung standards. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Joyce. Next question.
Ay,
nagdala ka ng iPad, Z? Ay, hindi ba sa'yo? Charing, kala ko yung iPad kang dala. Charing na. Next question, please. Your name, sorry.
I am Andrea of Glamour Moments.
Ayan, si Andrea.
Kasi si Kim, she was able to work with Governor V. So were you able to ask her for tips?
Oo nga. Did you ask her?
About working with her?
The governor.
Tinanong ko siya. Sabi ko, kasi tinakabahan ako eh. Sabi ko, paano ba dapat i-approach? Magagalit ba siya pag bigla ko siyang nilapitan, yung mga ganun. Sabi niya, no. Basta ang mga tips na nabigay niya sa akin, relax lang. Just enjoy everything. I-enjoy mo lang. And once nakita kayo, malalaman mo lang anong gagawin.
So nothing like, parang, dapat ganito.
Ay, wala. Basta sinabi lang niya talaga sa akin, relax. And yun yung mga tips niya. Relax, malalaman mo na yung gagawin mo.
Hindi rin niya na-reveal. Para exciting din naman yung kanyang working relationship with Governor, di ba? Okay, the next question will come from?
Aryo po of Big Biscos. My question is, kamusta yung experience mo since day 1 of taping until the last day kahapon?
Man, I'm so proud. I'm so proud of this film. Nung nung unang taping namin, nagpa-selfie ako. Naalala ko yung pakiramdam ko na parang, grabe. I mean, nakaka-nervyos. Pero now, kagabi nag-selfie rin ako, nag-post ako. Sabi ko, grabe, yung naibabahagi, lalo na yung mga kwento ni Tita Vilma, sinasabi niya, every project is a learning experience. It never stops. Hindi ka pwedeng, and sinabi rin ni Direk Joyce, hindi ka pwedeng makampante. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na alam ko na ang gagawin eh. Tara na, alam ko na eh. You never know. You never know what's gonna happen. And sinabi rin ni Tita Vilma na sa tagal niya sa industriya hanggang ngayon, she still relies on her director kasi she has ang dami na niyang awards, but she still relies on her director. So everything is everything is a learning process.
Second question. How do you deal with bashers?
Ayan, mahaba to. How do I deal with bashers? Okay. First, kailangan you have a really strong support group. That's a must.